I'm trying to kill someone. This is cool. I'm playing with a sniper now and I aimed it pretty easily and I shot that dude in the face. Hello, my name's David and I am your new Unboxing Express presenter. Unfortunately, Sameen can't make it anymore because she's lost her box cutter. Today, I want to show you our new cool peripheral for mobile phones. On the right-hand side, we have some gaming hubs. These all connect via Bluetooth. And my particular favorite is this one. But unfortunately, we're going to look at these in the next episode. So, we're going to first get into the triggers. Now, triggers are these little mechanical devices that actually replace your finger on your phone. They convert the finger press into a nifty trigger. Don't let the name eating chicken artifact dissuade you. These are pretty cool, and I know on Amazon they're pretty popular at the moment as well. These are the latest versions because the other versions, the clamps had a problem of breaking down and they didn't last very long. The packaging is pretty simple. You get two inside with a charger. I think it's a USB. No, this is not. This is just a normal little charger. You can probably replace that by yourself. You get two little triggers. We'll take one out and I'll show you. They have basically three parts. One is the clamp, two is the trigger or triggers, and three are the different speed settings. At first glance, I would worry that they might break pretty easily. It does feel a little plasticky, but the clamp is actually really strong. So if you're playing a game like Pubg, you can probably put your shoot over here and your aim over here, and it'll act more like a console controller. I'll show you how it works later. First, I want to show you their competitor. It's got this rubber base inside over here, inside the plastic, there's this rubber. And I don't know if you can see it, but the trigger is actually a very soft material that's designed for carrying that charge. Now, this actually looks completely different in design from our little chicken wing over here. And as you can see, the difference is that this has two different clamps now. This has a clamp on the top and a clamp on the bottom. So I think they're designed to fit on all phones, but you might have trouble if you have a really big phone, because when you pull this out, the problem is that the sensor is so close to your screen and there's not much give on the top here. I don't think this is designed to bend. Oh, it is. Okay, this is designed to pull out. You just have to use your muscles. All right, so I guess you could use this on any sized phone. You just need to get your dad to help you pull it out. That was really weird. So now I'm gonna play a few games on my mobile phone and let you see how they work. So you just wanna move the shoot up here. Simple as that. Move your aim all the way to the top. And then you're going to place your gadget, I'll start with the chicken wings, place it over here like this. And make sure it's nice and snug. As you can see, the shoot has lit up in yellow. Take this one, you put them over there, like that. Now, this is important. You need to make sure that you get this dead center, otherwise when you are playing in-game, you might have a problem where it disconnects. Oh. Now, did you see that I clicked like 3 times and it didn't really... It can slip sometimes. It can slip off the function, which can be annoying, but that doesn't happen often. And now it's not zooming. I know, it's not aiming. It's such... I'll kill this guy. Ah! Once you do get it on, I actually prefer it to the chicken wing. It feels a lot more like a console controller. The downside is this one only has one speed mode, but I don't really know if you're going to use all those different speed modes if you're playing a mobile game. Maybe if you're super professional and like you do it every day, maybe. There's something else I noticed here, and when you put the second one on, it actually covers your volume button. And these are pretty difficult to take off, so if you want to make it softer or louder, might be a bit of a problem. Because these are the sturdier clips, there's not much error when they are clicking. And I think that's going to help in-game when you're in a sticky situation. The pros of the yellow one is it's much more sturdy, but there have been some occurrences where I will be playing, I will be shooting dudes, and it will slip or move slightly away from the control. And it's pretty annoying because then suddenly my dude's running around and he's just like, and then I die. And it's because of this. So if you can put this nice and snug, I don't think that'll happen to you. It happened a lot more with the chicken wings actually, because the chicken wings are lighter. So if you are pushing down, it's gonna have some sort of give and it might just sneak away a little bit. But overall, it did lead to a more, engaging experience when I was playing, and I especially like these ones. They feel a lot more like a console. That's it for these two products, and I can't wait to show you the next one, the Game Hub. But first, you need to like and subscribe. Thank you.